Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Hostinger versus GoDaddy and figure out which one is better in 2025. If you're looking for the right hosting provider for your website, this guide will help you decide. Let's start with Hostinger. It's known for being affordable while still offering strong performance. You get fast load times, free SSL, a website builder, and 24/7 support. Hostinger is great for beginners and small businesses that want value without sacrificing speed. Now, GoDaddy is one of the biggest names in web hosting and domains. It offers a wide range of services, from hosting to email and online marketing. GoDaddy also has a strong domain marketplace and is ideal if you want everything domains, hosting, and extras under one roof. So, which one is better? If you're after low cost, high performance hosting, Hostinger is the stronger choice. But if you want a full service provider with domains and add ons in one place, GoDaddy is the better option. Thanks for watching this Hostinger versus GoDaddy 2025 guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hosting reviews and comparisons. See you in the next one.